If you like fishing, and who doesn't, then get ready to drool. Along with barramundi, Murray cod are probably Australia's most prized fish, but there's one big difference. While big barra are still plentiful in the rivers of the top end, there aren't many places left where you're guaranteed to catch a Murray cod. So when Howard Gips was invited to a real hotspot, his host insisted on some precautions.
I'm sorry about this. It's not as if I don't trust you or anything. Tree to your left. Turn right.
We're going on secret fisherman's business.
Oh, sorry, Howard.
Somewhere, a mountain river, so natural, isolated.
So it better be worth it.
Hidden. A sanctuary for an ancient and legendary beast, the mighty Murray cod.
Well, mate, this is it. Probably one of the last untouched waterways in Australia.
Robie Gaden communes with his cod beside this icy water. He's reeled in over 10,000 to date and given nearly all of them back their freedom. Because he doesn't just care for cod, he's besotted by them. Robie is the king of our cod.
Fantastic fish. I mean, I just love them.
They're pretty ugly brutes, though, aren't they?
Oh, no, not really. Beautiful looking fish.
Once, Australia's rivers from Queensland to Victoria were awash with these giants. The largest ever caught, 114 kilos. A century ago, cod fishing was thriving. Cod became food for man and beast, even fertiliser. Rivers were raped of these ponderous patriarchs, dams built, trees cleared, and pollution did the rest. Today, the Murray cod is a rare catch, just about anywhere but here.
Ooh, now that is a fish.
It's a sight to make the heart skip a beat. Robbie's first, a monster.
It's a fish, eh?
He fishes with lures, knowing the catch can be quickly released unharmed. A baited hook might have been swallowed and killed his beloved prize.
Anything a bit?
Oh, gee. How big is he?
Oh, well, he might be getting close to 35 pound, I reckon.
Wow.
So we'll let him go, eh?
It would take too long to weigh, and the handling would also hurt it. So this one is back under the rocks and ledges in less than a minute.
There's no thrill in killing it. The thrill's in catching and releasing and just seeing that they do, you know, they're still surviving in places like this. Nice little fish, eh? Can you get a shot in over that foam, Howard?
Yep.
That's where there'll be a fish, mate, I reckon.
Some could live undisturbed in the same pool for 30 or 40 years. They'll attack anything that enters their territory, animal or vegetable, dead or alive. Most of all, a cod likes to eat another cod. And most seem candidates for the Ugly Award of the year, faces only a mum could love, not the sort to kiss. And Robbie admits his wife agrees.
If you asked her, she'd probably say I was obsessed with Murray cod, but it's more of a love of catching them. I don't actually live for them, but I suppose they're second to my family.
We just keep it nice and low key.
We won't tell anyone.
You better not, unless you can swim real well.
Oh, right, it's like that, is it?
Mr. X, the bloke whose land we were on, pretending to be a rock, so his mates won't know about his secret fish hoard.
There must be a few big ones in here.
Oh, biggest one I know has been well over 100 pounds.
Another fisherman's tale? No.
Yeah, I can remember the biggest that I've kept, 82 pounds.
82?
That's the biggest one I've kept, but I've let 2 fish go that were certainly bigger than that.
This one also lived to fight another day. Around his workshop at home, yes, he is a professional lure designer, those few he's kept over the years mutely keep watch. You have to be a fisherman to understand.
Oh, something's there.
You got one, Howard?
Yep.
I was going to pretend this one was mine. Fishermen usually lie so well.
Would you like to let him go?
Yeah, how do you do that?
Bit of oxygen in the gills.
He's right.
Yep.
He's away.
Yep. Great.
Beautiful. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, your first cod.
I'm a cod fisherman.
But of course it wasn't. And if this place is invaded by the greedy, it won't be worth coming here again, or anywhere else, for the mighty cod will be just a memory. That's why Robbie brought me here. That's his message.
If they're going to survive, for my boy to catch more cod, it's up to you and I and the public. It's an education thing, really. And I mean, the cod is a legend.
Yeah.
In Australia, it's a bloody legend.
What a great spot, Rex Hunt. Eat your heart out. Hal Gibbs reporting there. Next, the kids' cubby.